G'day guys, it's Bursha in the G-Sync Chahota from Australia, from Adelaide. How you guys doing? Fantastic. Sorry guys, I haven't done the video for probably 4 or 5 days. Just been flat out. Just been quite busy with the with the family, and I was a little bit sick as well. And as you know, I'm pursuing my challenge to lose weight. I used to be 105 kilo, so I lost 13 kilo, which is around 29 pounds in American standards that we're talking about, right? So right now I'm 92 kilo. So practicing day in and day out to get back to 77.5. That's my goal. So yeah, that's the update for a little. But I was just being busy, just didn't do it. But this video is all about MCAP tokens. Guys, in 4 days, there's a lot of things, or I think for past 7-8 days, there's a lot of things has been changed in MCAP. This is just fantastic. It's been listed on 3 different exchanges, and the price is unbelievable. I bought a Bitcoin for I bought a MCAP for $3.60, and right now it's a 7.76. It's more than a double. So more than double? Yeah, more than a double, which is just, you know, just crazy stuff. And why that had happened, there is a reason behind it. They're doing a pretty good job in that sense. Like, you know, they listed MCAP in 3 different exchanges. One is their own, right, in the back office, which is Bitcoin Growth Fund, which is BGF, and then the other one is we called C-Cex, right, which is like a cryptocurrency exchange. And another one is on they did a massive took a massive action. They put it on Ethereum blockchain as well, which is fantastic. So you can go to the Ethereum blockchain, then you can see it MCAP there. It's a big step, guys. Like, I don't know if you're understanding or not, but it's that's where it pushed the price of the MCAP token to the high level. And top of that, even saying so, right, because it's all about supply and demand. Like, it's not that there's a unlimited token. It's like 100 million, right? They only released, that's the total supply of the token. They only released 20 million. So what's going to happen is now, as the demand going to increase, they're going to produce more. So for the time being, they're going to sell 20 million. So it's just the rules of economics. You have more demand, you have less supply, the price going to go higher. That's where the limited, it's in like Bitcoin, right? You can't really compare with the Bitcoin, but I'm just talking about the demand and supply, because Bitcoin is 21 million, right? This is like limited, like a gold, right? Same thing with the MCAP token. It's only 100 million, and they release only 20 million, right? So and 60% they're gonna invest in mining. Whatever the fund they raise from the MCAP token, they're going to use in the mining, and they also, where they also gonna use it, and the initial coin offerings, right, or startups you call us, right? And the 40% they're going to do the trading, which is you and me. So that's why they open up the platform. That will push the price of the MCAP token go higher. Let's check out through the article, and then I'll show you around what are the exchanges are. Let's do that. Okay, this is the article, which is I think they recently came up, which is on May 31st. What is it saying here? MCAP tokens now available on C-Cex and Bitcoin Growth Fund exchanges, right? So and and based on ERC20, that's the blockchain of Ethereum. So in this paragraph, they're talking about how they wanted to make it stress-free for the customers or the investors, that we have nothing to worry about, right? And they would do the hard yard for us, and then if we wanted to trade MCAP, and we can do that sort of things, right? So this is what they're talking about here in that paragraph. So here, some but not all developments we are incorporating in the past few months are. So this is, they just released it, but they said they didn't incorporate. So considering the wider acceptance of ERC2 protocol or other advantages, we have successfully migrated from counterparty protocol. That was the firstly they put it on this one, right? So now they moved on to ERC20, which is called Ethereum blockchain. This stuff has not only brought us in the league of big guns like Genesis, Golem. These all are the tokens from on Ethereum blockchain, but it has also provided us a wider visibility. Wanna see MCAP also, and you can click it here to look at it, the Ethereum blockchain explorer, right? So I already done it here, so I'm just gonna go in there. So there you go. That's Ethereum Etherscan or Ethereum blockchain explorer, right? So this is, if you look at here, is token MCAP summary. Total token total supply is 100 million, and what are the number of transfers happen, 176, right? So you can see it, it's all here. That's all the 178 events are here. So they're talking about from where it goes to where, right? So it's just fantastic, guys, right? It's just crazy stuff happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show more tokens which is on Ethereum blockchain. So I'm just going to do that. So let's check it out. Okay, so these are the tokens which is based on Ethereum, right, blockchain. So Golem is going to create the first decentralized global market for computing power. So that's where you can see if you want to invest in it. They're talking about how high it has gone, and what's the price for it, and what's the market cap for it, right? So like all of those are here as well, like Agor, Genesis, and Pluton. So all of those are here, right? You can see that. So you can check it out here. So now if you want to do this, right, if you want to click on, you can actually log in or create an account here. I haven't done it yet, so probably made another video to creating an account as well on this one, because I just checked it out. I thought I'd just share what's been happening, right? So I'm just gonna say MCAP, right, on the search, and then it will come up. MCAP will come up the same way we have looked into it, right? So there you go. So it's like as I said, 100 million tokens, 178 events, and then that's the official address. So it's all been recorded up here, which is fantastic, right? So this is another milestone for MCAP. That's why pushing the bringing the trust into the investors, right? So it's beautiful. Okay, so next one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this article under the video, so you can just go through it, right? If you want to go into detail, I'm just giving you the snapshot, because if I read it through, it's going to take too long. But I'm explaining what it is. We have successfully developed our own trading platform, and if you look into it, I have already shown you this. This step was decided to attract global users to trade on BGF platform in MCAP and improve its market value. Also, this will enable regular users to get a one-stop solution at BGF, which is Bitcoin Growth Fund platform, with the facility even for trading. So don't wait. Put your MCAP to work. So let's go there. This is a trading area here, because I already opened it. So think about it. You and me, we all have the opportunity. If we wanted to trade our BTC, we can do it here. All right. So you can see the chart, how that's going as well. So these are the the sell orders, that's the buy orders here, right? And the trade history, they explain it here. Like you can see it, what's the price they've been sold out, and or buy. So there. So that's that, right? Let's go back. So this is what they're talking about. And in previous videos I have showed you as well. If you follow me a lot, I made 10 videos on the MCAP token. If you're not quite sure about it, like and then it's if you're following me, that I made 10 videos on that, and also I explain it that if you don't know what MCAP is, I explain it to 2 different videos that what MCAP, how it works, details of. If you're new to watching this video as in a new, just go back on my YouTube channel and just check it out there, and you will understand much more or better way. Well, and this is the third one. Well, what else can be done to skyrocket the market price of MCAP? Yes, you are right. Let's list it in global exchange. Now you can trade your MCAP in other currencies like USD. You can get USD back, right? BTC, Doge, Litecoin on C-Cex exchange, which is like a cryptocurrency exchange, right? Soon we are going to launch it on 3 other exchanges too. So hurry up, catch up with the other traders and stuff. So see guys, this is beautiful, right? So they already launched on this cryptocurrency, which is C-Cex exchange is called cryptocurrency exchange. So they already linked. I'm gonna show you in a minute, right? So this is a platform for this one, right? So you can convert into USD, BTC, Doge, Litecoin, whatever you want, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you that too. So this is a platform guy, right? So I made an account in this one, guys. So if you look at it here, it's like any other exchange, like it's like a Polynex or Bittrex, like it no difference, right? It might be the some of the coins might not be listed here, but all others, the most of the coins they're all here, right? So you can convert anything you wanted here. MCAP, whatever you want, right? So let me check it out here. So MCAP. So I'm just doing a research on that. Put MCAP there. Okay, where is it? Oh, sorry. You can't see it in my screen. Just give me a second. Here you go. So they're showing that that I don't have I didn't put any MCAP there. So if I want to deposit, this is the address for it. If I click on this one, right? I'm just going to click on this one. So it's pretty standard, like any other, like how you can deposit it, right? So there you go. So so you can click on this one, and that will the QR code, and then you can get a new address, and then how much it costs you, 0.1. So basically what you can do 2 things here, right? Or more than 2 things, I guess. You can actually trade your own MCAPs, or you can actually buy MCAP through here as well. So you can deposit BTC, you can deposit Ethereum, you can deposit Litecoin and buy MCAP from here. Or you have a MCAP, right? And then you want to convert into BTC, Litecoin, or whatever you want. So it's what I do, right? Probably soon I do conversion, like show you one conversion, like from MCAP to maybe Bitcoin, and then so on, and then I get back, because I don't want to sell it, like because this price gonna go higher. But I'll make a video so I can show you that how can you do it, right? So this is that, guys, like this is the cryptocurrency exchange here, right? So there's a few things you guys can do it here. So if you're gonna go through, click on this one, the bars here, right? So they will show you what are the things you can do, things like that right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into profile settings. And can you see here, you can do two-factor authentication, settings, referral program, chat, API settings, service subscription. So you can do whatever you want, like you can put your phone number, things like that right here, right? So I'm going to show you here. There's called referral program here, referral system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my referral link under the video, so you can actually use this referral to create your account, right? So if you want to trade on here, look, you make an account and then somebody else make an account through your referral, what's going to happen is, how that work, how our referral system pays you 5% of our any which level of your referrals, 3 levels deep maximum. So like if you create an account through me and somebody else create an account through you, and then somebody else create an account through the second one, so I will get a commission out of it, right? So like I don't really care, but this is just a referral scheme, so you can do the same, right? So you can use this code I'm gonna put under the video, and then you can create an account, and if you trade something on it, whatever this exchange make money out of it, I'll get 5%, which will be like in cents maybe, right? Because the value is it's not like in hundreds or thousands, right? Depends how much you do. So something, right? So something. So yeah, that's another way of creating passive income. Probably is So sorry guys. So I'll leave it there, so you can use this link to create your C-Cex account, right? So you can do that. So that's that, guys. So it's just I'll do trading on this one, and then I'll show you how to do it. But I'm not gonna do it right now. Okay, so let's go back. So that's that. Like I explained it this one. Okay, so this article was on 28th of May, right? What to expect next at MCAP. As soon as MCAP was launched on C-Cex Trading Exchange on 20th of May, the prices saw a rise, which is, we can see, it reached around $6 in no time. Currently, it is racing around $7. This is in accordance with the earlier prediction of our analyst that forecast market price of MCAP to reach $100 by the end of November. I'll read through this article as well, but not today. So this is a German analyst who did the research, and they said in November 2017 it will go up to 100, right? So that's their predictions are. The development in the past few months have led to a huge demand of MCAP tokens. Now with the availability of MCAP on various cryptocurrency exchanges, we can meet this demand. So they're going to list on another 3 exchanges as well, which I'll keep you updated. Also, such huge demand will ultimately lead to the increase in the market value of tokens. See, supply, they're talking about the supply, right? Supply and demand. Less supply, more demand, the price will go higher, right? Also, in the investment plan of MCAP has been developed such that it fosters the demand of MCAP tokens. How? As we have earlier stated that capital raised from MCAP token is invested in mining or ICOs. The company will use a part of this revenue, 60% for further growth and 40% to buy and burn MCAP from the exchanger to increase the price of MCAP and provide a return to the investors. So you can either sell your MCAPs to get an exit or hold them for increased valuation at various available exchanges. This is beautiful. So like, you know, there's earlier it was a rumor that, you know, you have to have because this company got another project, which is one of them is a Gainbitcoin. Earlier the people getting output in Bitcoin, they were forced to buy MCAP, but that's not the case anymore, which is fantastic, right? In the last, we would request you to visit update pages regularly to be in date. So they're saying just keep updated and you know, keep updated yourself. What we're doing in MCAP, we have some useful information like how to use new platform and other development compiled for you. So let's click on this one and let's see what this says here. Yeah, probably I'll do more research on Etherscan. I haven't done it like, you know, in that terms. Oh, it's actually in updates in the Bitcoin Growth Fund. So we are providing below some necessary information that is required to carry the transaction on BGF. Okay, wallet used like in my Ether wallet, and you can find correct address contact. What I'll do is I'll look into that, and then because this is the contract address for MCAP, right? So how that works, I'll probably make another video for that, right? Because it's too much to cover in one. So yeah, that's it. So it's three major things, right? Like, you know, guys, the one is that, you know, they're listed on, they have their own BGF exchange, then they put it on Etherscan, like, or Ethereum blockchain explorer, and they put it on C-Cex, which is a cryptocurrency exchange, right? And then three more exchanges they're going to launch this token, which is beautiful. And the price gone from 3.6 within a month, 3.6 USD to 7.76 USD, which is just phenomenal. I think it's great, right? So, and then they explain that where they're gonna use the fund, and then how they're gonna raise the value of the token. And as I said, if they don't even do anything, because the tokens are limited, it's not that they are unlimited, they are only 100 million, which is fantastic. So I'm just going to go back here with the Bitcoin Growth Fund. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to home. Okay, so let me see. Did they take me out or what? Let's see. I don't know. I think they signed me out, right? Just give me a second. I was signed in, guys. Alright, guys. I just logged in again. Right, look at that here. I bought a 31.611 MCAP, like, you know, when they start off, right? On 15th of May. I only bought it for $136 or something like that, or $150. They already gone into $241, right? BTC was 0.04, I think, right? Because I'm gonna show you something here. These ones here, that was like $1.57. That was like $1.57 or $1.76 or somewhere there. That gone 5.7. I just can't believe it. And this one was for $5. So that's been reduced like a 3.4, right? Which is fantastic. I haven't put any money at all, but I'm just regretting it because actually this one gone higher than this one, because this one has gone higher five times. This is only double. This one gone 5 times, right? I haven't looked into much into details. What are the company involved in this one, right? I'll gotta explore it. But I made a video like probably 3 months ago about this one, loyalty one, and then the blockchain thingy. And yeah, but I never thought about it. Another thing is I don't have the, to be honest, I don't have enough money to to buy as well, whatever I can, because they're promoting MCAP, so I think it's good enough for me for the time being, right? So let's check it out here. This one, invest more, I'm gonna say. So look at that. They raised 47,000 here and 45,000 here, right? And this one is 5.7. I just can't believe it. It was like $1. So if you look at my the videos, past videos, that that was like, it's just crazy, man. I can't believe it. And this one here is 7.6. That was like a 3.2 initially when they started. I bought it for 3.6. So let's check it out here. What's going on? How many tokens they have used? Well, they have sold 4.443 million MCAP. As I said, they released 20 million, whereas they still have 15 plus million to sell. But altogether they have 100 million, but they only released the 20 million for the time being. So the Bitcoin they generated is more than 9,000, which is 9,238 from this, right? And then which is like it's gone up to 16 million within more than a month now, like 1 month and 6-7 days, which is fantastic. So look at the price. It used to be a 3.2 or 3.6 when I bought it. Now it's a 7.6. Just incredible. Because it's not about look, I always think about this way, right? It's not about money, right? Yeah, as an investor, it comes down to money, but we need to understand why is the money in that sense, right? Like why you want to put your hard-earned money into any of the coin we, not just MCAP, but any of the other coin we buy, right? As I said it a number of times, if you do not understand any of the coin or the token, do not put your money in there. Don't listen to me, don't listen to anybody else out there. Get the information, do your own research. And if you're confident enough that you say, yeah, I'm gonna do it, go and do it. But don't just listen to the bunch of people and they're just saying it, then you do it. Don't do it, because you will regret it. Because you don't have. I made a mistake, right? I bought a BitCrystal probably more than a month ago, and that didn't go well the way it should be. I listened to. I mean, look, it was a great mentor, but at the end of the day, I'm not gonna blame my mentor, because end of the day, it's up to me that I do my research on it and then invest in it. We all make mistakes. I did it too, right? So I'm just gonna sell those BitCrystal and then buy something else. So I'm just giving you my own advice that we should not just go and buy a token because I'm saying or somebody else saying. Just do a research, and if that makes sense, that it's gonna help in the future to the people, like so society, then only you put the money into there. That only you buy the coin or the MCAP coin, right? And this is not whatever I provide information, it's just the information. Decision is yours, right? Whether you wanted to do it or you don't want it to do it. This is entirely up to you guys, right? I'm just providing information what's happening in the MCAP space, okay? So if you have any question, please do let me know, right? And I'll always put a link for the Bitcoin Growth Fund under the video, and then I'm gonna put C-Cex, the new exchange there as well. With the Bitcoin Growth Fund, what happened is if you use my referral with the Bitcoin Growth, I'll get first time you buy any of the tokens for like MCAP token, let's say 10 or 12, whatever, I get 2%. That's it. And then after that, whatever you want. But it's nothing to do with you guys. That's the just company promoting the company, and then are just providing the information. They just, recognize the efforts the marketer like me, they're putting in. So they're just rewarding it like with the 2%. And the first initially somebody bought the MCAP token through it, right? So it's not massive, but again, it's a little bit always is better, right? So yeah, I'm gonna put all the links under there. If you If you want to create an account on Bitcoin Growth Fund, I will put it in there. If you want to create an account on C-Cex, which is cryptocurrency exchange, I will put the link under there as well. So yeah, just do it from there, guys. If you have any question, please do let me know. And yeah, connect with me on my Facebook, or because all my social media links are under there as well. And guys, leave a comment if you need any information, more information. I'm more than happy to provide it. So it's been a fantastic. All right, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do so, because I'm gonna bring a lot of good stuffy, good new goodies, guys. Goodies. All right, guys. You guys have a fantastic day. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. So, and you guys have a fantastic day. Peace out, guys. Peace out.